My area of academic interest is a topic called media literacy, which is commonly defined as the ability to access, evaluate, analyze, and produce all types of communication. Where I look at media literacy is how do we connect um, teaching students critical analysis skills with teaching them to be better citizens and better people. I think more students should study media literacy because in today's age, we can't avoid the media. It has become intertwined in our lifestyles. There's no way to exist fundamentally and participate without having a grasp of how the media is. Media and citizenship, media and civic democracy are often tied at the hip now as we increasingly have less physical community space and more mediated community space. And I think media literacy is the bridge to that understanding and bettering society as a whole. Majoring in media studies means that you're prepared to enter into a digital and converged media age. It means combining practical skills with theoretical knowledge about how the media industry works to shape our understanding of civil society and democracy. And it means having a broad view and a wide understanding of all the different types of technologies that we have to be able to use and to understand to be active participants in civil societies and communities in the information age. Some of the projects in my class include a news blackout, where students have to spend 48 hours without listening to any news. A news remix, where students have to take different clips from around the world and create their own news dialogue. Group projects called Forgotten Worlds, where students have to build media image slideshows based on parts of issues that the media is not covering in our country. Some of the media myths that we're busting are that the media is a big monster that we need to protect ourselves against. I think that now students and individuals in general are more empowered than they've been at any point in the past. They have more choice and they have more an ability and access to be part of civic dialogue. And I think teaching to empower individuals through using media, through critically analyzing media, and through expressing themselves with various media is the first step to actually engaging students and citizens in active dialogue. And I think this is what the key is as we kind of groom and prepare the future leaders of our country. My hope for students when they leave my class is, one, that they've learned something, B, that they've changed their perspective on the role of information in their life, and C, that they've become better, more engaged, and more interested individuals. I'm the director of the Salzburg Academy on Media and Global Change, which is a 4-week summer program in Salzburg, Austria that gathers 50 students and a dozen faculty from 15 countries on 5 continents. They all come together to meet in a palace where The Sound of Music was filmed, which is our marketing gimmick, and they come together and we explore media together to try to connect cultures through content and topics that we otherwise couldn't discuss if we didn't have such a dynamic and global atmosphere. So they'll create educational content, they create multimedia videos, and host seminars that deal with finding the common connections around global media and global citizenship. I like teaching at Hofstra because it's a dynamic, diverse, and exciting environment for students who are interested in communication and media and in the world in general. There's an energy being close to New York City. There's a vibrant student population, and they'll push you as hard as they can, and I think that's what you want in an institution, in a university, and I think Hofstra has that.